everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1960 Pontiac Catalina. Outstanding car, guys. Local flavor here. This car's always been around Waterford, Clarkston area. Car was, sorry man, the traffic's just crazy here today. I actually bought this car. The guy who works for me, Steve, he does all our mechanical here. This was actually his son's car. Before that, a guy named Rick Putnam, who's actually the one who originally restored this car back in 1999. He comes in the shop all the time. But very cool car, great car, runs and drives excellent, laser straight body on this old Pontiac. Really cool car. It's tuxedo black. The car was painted in 1999. It's got lacquer paint on it. I'm not here to tell you it's checked, guys. Now it's straight as can be, but when we get up close to this paint, you're going to see the lacquer checks in it. If you're a paint person, you'll know what that is. But when you get up to this car, you can see the lacquer checks in it. Steve's son is a body and paint man, but like he say, he didn't want to paint this car because it's just so straight and so cool. You can see the original chromes, a little pitted. But what a cool car. Car's only got, I think it's 79,000 is the miles on the actual body. Now they just rebuilt a 400 in it with a 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's cold, my lips are freezing here. But what a cool car. My dad loved these big old Pontiacs, so of course I gotta love them. We hunted for a 59 for him right before he passed away. But again, when you dig in here, you're gonna see some lacquer check, guys. I wouldn't touch it. Leave it alone, turn the key and drive it and have a blast, which is exactly what Steve's son did. Good car. Glass is nice. Ooh, it's getting cold. Look, our temperature's falling here. You know the cool thing about this stuff, when you go to a car show, nobody's got one. I love the body lines on this car. Those taillights, man. Again, they're showing their age. There's some pitting in them. Little touch-up marks. But again, I would not touch this car. Turn the key and drive it. I mean, that's a big, long car. Look how straight it is. Love the wide whites with the chrome reverse. He's got the Pontiac hubcaps on it. What a good car, man. BF Goodrich, I think those are Silvertown wide whites. Yeah, you see little marks in the paint. They have converted it to front disc brakes. It's also got power steering. I just got on the phone with Rick, and he said he's the one who actually put the power steering on it. When he bought it, it was a manual steering car. Again, fresh 400 engine. Baldwin Automotive is the one that did all the engine work on it. It's I believe it's a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Does have headers. It's got all the aluminum pulleys on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. There's a switch for the electric fan under the dash. Hey Jordan, you know that this is a regular trans. When we get in there, the indicator on there is the old style Power Glide. So you just put, yeah, it's just reverse, then down into drive. That is a slick car. Again, glass is nice. Oh man, we might be starting to spit some snow here. It's supposed to get bad on us. Wipers work, blower motor works. Mirror's gorgeous. Look at that chrome. Mark on the door handle there. Car is rock solid. This was done at Monty's. For you local guys will know that name. Monty's wife is the one that actually did this interior. It's a gray cloth. I've ordered all brand new black Pontiac floor mats for it. They're just not here yet. Cool steering wheel, factory dash, 75,502, and that is the original miles on the car. Aftermarket gauges underneath there. Dual exhaust, stock rear end, no big monster gear. Definitely built to cruise, man. Look how clean this car is. It's got all the cardboard and everything for the trunk. Original owner's protection policy, owner's manuals. Here's some receipts from those first restored. You can see it's all black in the trunk here. Neat car, man. My dad would have loved this car. Look at our tail end, man. How cool is that? These cars are so unique. Clean underneath. I got under there, got some pictures of it. It's got a rear sway bar on it. Like I say, car drives fantastic. Look how clean that thing is down the sides. Really cool radio. It kind of powered up here. I think I got power to it. It wouldn't catch a station, but I believe it got power. Nice little cam to it. You're rumbling a little. How cool that front end is. What a neat car. Fuel gauge does work. Your gauge is down there, functional. Again, it's got the stock selector in it, so now it's reverse, neutral, drive, where reverse used to be down at the bottom in the Power Glide. It's got a turbohydramatic trans in it. Nice little sound. That's a cool car, man. It sounded like it got power, but did it hear it? I think it's getting something. It's just not catching the station. Gauges work, blower motor does work. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Oh. clean that thing is, man. What a cool car.